Hi viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to tell you people how crispy and delicious pakoras are made. Viewers, pakoras are very good to eat. What you need to do, take a bowl, put cuttings of potatoes, small cuttings of potatoes in that bowl, put some cutting of onion. I have chopped this potato and onion already and kept there. Now put some besan. After that, put some salt. You can use salt as per your own need. There is zira. This is red pepper. And here it is coriander. So what you need to do after that, break one egg and put in that mixture. Here you can see. After that, viewers, you need to mix it. You can mix it with the hand. Pour some water. Viewers, you should pour only little bit amount of water, not too much amount of water, because too much amount of water will not be good. Here you can see I am mixing it with the hand. Check it out. It is turning into good mixture. I am going to pour one more egg after that because I feel I need to pour two eggs instead of one. You may have your own choice. You can pour one egg, you can pour two egg. I will pour two eggs because eggs will provide a soft texture to the pakoras. It will not be stiff. Here the second one egg I have poured there. I am mixing well the mixture. Viewers, you should not keep this mixture too long. Just prepare it before making two pakoras. Don't keep it for longer period. I have oil in one pan. It is hot now. I am going to put mixture in the form of the pakoras. Be careful while you are going to put this mixture in the oil. Oil can burn your finger, so put it politely and consciously. Here you can see I am making medium size of pakoras by keeping my hand at a safe distance from the oil. Yes, it is done. Viewers, look, I'm with the mixture. Viewers are very delicious. I'm going to now change the side of pakoda because if it will remain in the same side, it will burn the lower side of the pakoda. So after few minutes, you need to change the side of the pakoras. I am changing it. Here, viewers, the brown color of pakoras is appearing. It is very easy to make pakoras at home. Very delicious pakoras. You may have these pakoras with a cup of tea, especially in winter. You will enjoy a lot. If you are not from Asian countries, you should try this at your home. because it is very delicious one, especially in winter. Here it goes. It is ready, viewer. Now I will take it out from the aisle. Yes, you can check that these are now prepared or not by pressing. If it could not press easily, it means they are ready. There is no water inside the mixture. Now these are almost ready. I'm just changing the sides. Heat should not be too much. It should be moderate. Look, viewers, it is the important phase of pakoda making, because at this phase, if we have too much heat, it will burn the pakodas. It is almost ready. It is done. I am going to pick it out here. See, viewers, the color of pakodas. It is delicious one. Please subscribe my channel to see more videos. Thank you.